Part number 2. So now the next topic is frame. Frames are used in Flash in order to create the animations. When we are creating the animation, we use the frames which are there in Flash. The frames in Flash are the small rectangle cell appear in each timeline. This will be there. These are simple, you can say, small rectangle cells which are appear in the timeline. Each frame is represented by a number at the top of the timeline. Each frame which is represented by a number at the top of the timeline. The length of the time is divided into frames in a Flash document. The length of the time is divided into frames. The content of the movie are displayed by frame at a given point of time. The contents of the movie are displayed by frame at given point of time, like this. Now, keyframe. Keyframe can be defined as a special type of frame where one can define the change to an object property for animation. What is keyframe? It is a special type. It is one of the frame, and it is a special type of frame where one can define the change to an object properties for animation. Where person can define the change, whatever change the person want to make can be there for animation, such as position, shape, color, etc. The length of the tweeted animation can be easily changed by dragging the keyframe into the timeline. If you want to change in the length of the animation, you can easily change by dragging the keyframe in the timeline. Now, layers. Layers can be understood as a several frames stacked over one another. What are layers? Layers you can see, understand just like the layer of your skin, the layers which you study in your bio cell tissue. Each of them has different image which appears on the stage. Each layer is having a different image which appears on the stage. Each layer has its own timeline with endless frame. Each layer is having its own timeline and it is having endless frame. It may also be defined as the individual movie of only one level. It can also be defined as the individual movie of only one level. Every new Flash document contains only one layer. When a new Flash document is created, it contains only one layer. More layer can be added to organize the artwork and animation in a document. We can add more layer to organize the artwork and animation in a document. Object can be created or edited in a layer. We can create the object, we can edit the object in a layer without disturbing the other layer. The active layer is indicated by pencil icon beside the layer name in the timeline. Next is playhead. The current frame displayed on the stage is indicated by playhead. Playhead, with the current frame which is there, which is displayed on the stage, it is indicated by playhead. It moves from left to right through the timeline. It is moving from left to right like this timeline. Playhead, just when we play any video or any audio, it moves from left to right. Property inspector. The properties of the selected object are displayed in the panel known as property inspector. The property of the selected object are displayed in panel which is known as property inspector. The list of properties also varies here. Changes can be made to the document attribute in the property inspector. Whatever changes can be made, if they are made in the document attribute in the property inspector. Now, like this. Setting document property. Each time when we open Flash, the application opens a new file with a default setting for the movie property. Each time when we open the Flash, the application opens a new file with a default setting of the movie property. We can create a new movie as well. To set the frame rate, background, color and ruler unit, we use the following steps. What are the steps? Click on the file and new option. The new dialog box will appear. Select the Flash file. Option the type list, click OK. Just new dialog box will come, just select from that. Select modify document, a document property dialog box will appear as shown in the adjoining figure. Now when you will click modify document, that document property dialog box will come. To change the frame rate, specify the speed of movie in frame per second. By default, frame rate is 24 fps frame per second. Time 12 fps in frame rate box. Now you can change the frame rate. So you can specify the frame rate, you can change it, you can alter it with the speed. By default it is 24. We can let us change to just half 12 fps. fps stands for frame per second. Now, to specify the stage size in pixel, enter the values of width and height in their corresponding text box in the dimension section. To specify the stage size in pixel, enter the values of width and height in their corresponding text box in the dimension section. To set the background color of the document, select any color for the stage from the background scratch color swatch. If you want to change the background of the document, you can select any color from the stage on the background color swatch. This is the thing which will be displayed there. To set the stage size to the maximum available print area, click the ratio button printer under match section. Just select it. Select the radio button printer under match. Click the unit from the drop down list of ruler unit. Click the list unit from the drop down list of ruler unit. Click OK after specifying the required option. Click OK when you have made the following changes. In this way we are able to just set in the proper document properties.